Greetings, folks. Today we're going to be switching out a faulty light switch in the GE refrigerator. First thing we're going to do is unplug the power. And remove the switch. Let's get in here and get to it. See if I got the right angle. I hope so. Come in from underneath. You see what this tab was in the old one. Right on the bottom here. Pry this out. Pull that for pressure. Small screwdriver. I could use a knife, maybe. I like using a knife. All right, let's show you on the top now. 2 wires. You can see what color they are. One black, one white. Darn it. I'll have to shake the camera. Use a second pair of hands here. Let's see if this is gonna work. Black on the right. Kind of hard to get to with the camera angle. Use both hands without hitting camera mount. Sorry about that. Comparison. Old switch, new switch. Alrighty. Wires keep wanting to disappear back into the refrigerator. Refrigerator is not the best spot, to be honest. There's one. Come on, number 2. All right. All right, let's put this back in. Plug her back in now. Let's see what happens. All right. Test. Good to go. Or a shot of the brand. Sticker. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.
Stay tuned for more to come soon.